Some are only like a 16-year-old, 17-year-old, and some are only were just a graduate from school. Take time now. Everybody now have to know say una walk a fuck so. That is just the truth. Una just up with a fuck life so. And none of over the age of 18, but una fuck more than all me with a blood clot 21. Can't bother with uno. Una need for settle. The body never tell you say, you can't live on a life. You understand me I try to say? But come on man, on the underage, some argument with uno all upon some things that uno post more while me I fear wonder if. When you pass the age 30, when you can settle and take a little time sitting up on a big man thing, you know, come on and know where una run down so. When you can easy, when you underage, especially for una little girl, where like 16, 17 or 15, 16. I couldn't age, kind of underage, a man now run go nowhere. No for them look where they so and fuck on and tax and the pussy they big and if the pussy it smell. And truth is some man look a pussy smell and look a pum pum have scent.